Hi, we are a team CryptoKnight, and in this semester, we work with CMU Scilab and CMU's hacking team PPP to create a video game for PicoCTF 2018. PicoCTF is a computer security competition, and its goal is to increase interest in the field of computer security and computer science. Our target audience are students in middle and high school who age from 12 to 16 with little to no knowledge in computer security and computer science.
Our goal with this project was to create a unique experience for players with no past experience in computer security. We decided to embed fundamental computer security concepts in the game itself so as to help players get easily exposed to these concepts that would be helpful to them in answering competition questions. We also wanted to make sure that the players stay in the competition longer than they would if there was no game along with it. Our team has designed an engaging story where you live through the fantasy of working for a secret agency and controlling your own robot as extrinsic motivation to persevere through the tough competition questions. Players can watch the story unfold as they play through the missions and also as they solve more competition questions.
Music and sound effects provide players with fully immersive experience. For this game, I chose sci-fi music to go with the theme, but actually, robot and computer security are actually not the same kind of sci-fi. Robot is a very extrovert expression symbol that relates to fighting, while computer science leads to calm thinking, intelligence, all the spirits that geekers are proud of. Therefore, I chose very powerful music and sounds with strong rhythm for our mission sessions, where players will control the robot.
The game's UI is an important part of the experience since a major part of our experience is presented to the users as UI. The game has a map interface that allows users to easily navigate between PicoCTF questions and in-game missions.
For our game, we choose voxel-based art as our art style. We stylize the voxel-based art. We are free to play with the shapes and colors, exaggerate or remove details to enhance the overall look and feel of the game. And by doing voxel art, we can have relatively low poly models, and it is good for the performance since we are doing a web game. To make the game more inclusive for all genders and races, we decided to make the characters in our game humanoid robots. This decision was also reinforced in our playtests as a lot of players like controlling robots in the world, and we found with humanoid characters, players can relate more to the robots emotionally.
Early on in the project, we decided to use Unity for our development because all of us were comfortable with it. We could develop faster and iterate more, while at the same time we could build a WebGL executable that will run in the browser. One thing that sets us apart from the 13 and 14 PicoCTF teams is the fact that we are required to integrate with a backend framework which Scilab has built for PicoCTF 2018.
So something that we introduced new this year that no other PicoCTF has addressed is this concept of introductory level. So particularly in the game, we have this first situation in the game that addresses introduction of computer security skills at a more consumable level. Just general elevation of computer security understanding, a general elevation of computer security hygiene, and I think that that's something that was lacking in every other PicoCTF. I think that we'll be able to use that introductory level to reach more people. It will help competitors stay in the game longer, which is one of the goals that we're trying to achieve. I'm incredibly impressed with what was developed. I feel like we're at a different level than any other PicoCTF before us. I think that people are going to have a great time playing this game. I enjoy just showing it to people because it's fun, it's interesting, and it's robots, which helps us deal with demographics and helps us deal with relatability.